Smoke alarms are required by law. Look, they're great. They've been around for years. As soon as they detect smoke in a room, they go off and sound a really loud alarm, which is so important at night when you're sleeping. Yet to this day, Fire and Rescue New South Wales attend house fires where there are no working smoke alarms. It's not just illegal, it's dumb. Remember, fire can engulf a room within 3 minutes, and yet it could have been prevented in seconds. There should always be a smoke alarm outside sleeping areas, including your caravan or motorhome. And it's not a bad idea to have a smoke alarm inside your bedroom as well, just to be safe. Smoke alarms should be kept dust-free and tested once a month by pressing the test button with a broom handle. You'll hear the smoke alarm for a few seconds and then it'll stop. But if at any time the smoke alarm chirps on its own, this means the battery's nearly flat. You should change the battery in the smoke alarm every year. And a common time to do this is at the end of daylight saving. Just remember, when you change your clock to be safe and calm, also change the battery in your smoke alarm. When you change your clock to be safe and calm, also change the battery in your smoke alarm. When you change your clock to be safe and calm, also change the battery in your smoke alarm. Change it. Oh, don't like the look of this. I think there comes a time in everyone's life when climbing a ladder is not a good idea. Fire and Rescue New South Wales can help you. You can ring your local fire station and you can make an appointment for a firefighter to come to your place and change your smoke alarm battery for you. You just need to provide the battery or a battery operated smoke alarm and they'll do the rest free of charge. This assistance is called the Smoke Alarm and Battery Replacement Program. Good name for it, isn't it? Or SABRE, S-A-B-R-E. If you have trouble hearing a smoke alarm, there are special ones with flashing lights that can sit on your bedside table. Some also have a vibrating pad that can be placed underneath your pillow.